The second method for making a button, especially if you need to make a lot of them, or if you are doing it professionally. Here is a very simple machine. This is a regular press, a stamp. There is a matrix for the removable strip. In such cases, special blanks are used. They are also sold and purchased. This is the shape we need. Here. We also cut out a square. Approximately 5 by 5 centimeters. We round the edges. If you need to make a lot of buttons, usually we make the first round piece as precise as possible. The first one serves as a sample, and then we cut the others based on it. The edges should carefully tuck inside the top part. This way, the size is properly adjusted. Then we carefully take the removable strip and gently remove it from the package. We place it on top. In the center, we position the button cap. We press it inside. We slightly adjust the fabric towards the center. To ensure it fits better, this process is crucial for the overall functionality. We insert the lower part with the loop into the matrix, and we get a finished button that operates smoothly and efficiently. We also thread the string and pass it through the double-sided cushion. We take a large needle, insert the threads into the needle, and measure the center or several buttons, then simply pass it through. The next question is how to secure the button from the back when the cushion is double-sided. That is, we make one button with a needle, and we make one button without a needle, just with the removable strip. We carefully thread the thread through the needle, ensuring it passes through. Here, as you can see, I have a double thread, which is designed to make it stronger, to ensure that it remains durable and reliable. We thread, tie, and gently create a figure 8. We pull it as much as we carefully and precisely need. We make several turns. Also, let's say, for example, we make 1 or 2, or even a few more additional knots, perhaps in this scenario, which could be beneficial. We cut it, leave a few centimeters, and twist the thread around the button. If the tension is sufficient, the thread will not come out later. Here is what we have simply achieved.